Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character lián step by step. I will first write it in regular scripts, then following one word and one sentence. Now let's write. Lián. To unite. To join. For example, 联络 联络 to get in touch with. To contact. Now check this sentence. For more information, see our frequently asked questions or contact us. 如需了解更多信息，请看我们的常见问题或联络我们。For more information, see our frequent asked questions or contact us. 如需了解更多信息，请看我们的常见问题或联络我们。需了解更多信息 information， 请看我们，请看我们的常见问题或联络我们。For more information, see our frequently asked questions or contact us. 如需了解更多信息，请看我们的常见问题或联络我们。联 in cursive. 联 to unite, to join, 联络 to get in touch with, to contact. For more information, see our frequently asked questions or contact us. 如需了解更多信息，请看我们的常见问题或联络我们。Please comment any words or sentence with the character 连. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click the bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.